pull the stars down one by one. Hold up the moon to shine upon a velvet curtain rising. Now her puppet is cutting strings. The footlights glare, the trumpets blare. Why is your face drawn on so glum, old chum? Paintbrush dragging on a drum. A rim shot on a punchline that you fumbled. The crowd went home and left you for dead. My old wooden head took the thimble and the thread, choked back tears like a symbol. The breath is slow in shallow tune. The sky is bright Venetian blue. The cardboard sun is all ablaze. The air is painted Clifford brown, caressing yesterdays. The steady gaze of your glass eye, head in a basket, smiling still. Free of will, free of wisdom.
Tonight I'll shave the mountain. I'll cut the hearts from pharaohs. I'll pull the road off of the rice, tear the memories from my eyes. In the morning I'll be gone. I drink 1,000 shipwrecks. Tonight I steal your paychecks.